Hey, I just wanted to check in, kind of let you know how I might be communicating with you this next week, give you a to-do list, so what you should be looking for, maybe some things you could turn in, and maybe how we'll go about this next week or so in terms of your assignment. So to start, a lot of you had a good start or most of your yellow spiral pages 1 through 6 done. I'm not going to have you take pictures and send me that, but I know I didn't get around to checking those yesterday, but start working on those. I'll probably be assigning another section in the coming week or two if we needed, but have those done so I can progressively check those. 545 number 4, I got to 1A and 4B, but if you were gone, or maybe 1B kids, if you want to send a picture of your 545 number 4, I can start entering those and give you grades for those. So I'll be working on entering those grades in the next few days, but if you have this done, you can always send me a picture of that. A snapshot would be great. Email or the Remind app is great too. Then study for your quiz. I am going to give this online Monday or Tuesday. It'll be in the Google Docs. Now, if needed, I can always email. That'll take a little bit more work from you to communicate that to me that you need to be emailed separately, but online should be able to have you submit it through my Google Docs or my Edge Elastic. So be watching for that. We'll definitely find a way for you to submit that quiz. It'll be take home, of course, but I trust that you'll do your best and just hopefully learn something from it. If you need any help, you can watch an inverse function video. I made a new one, finding inverses of all types of functions. That's going to be available in the Tuesday Talk tab on my website soon. So that could help you, and use whatever else you've done to study to take that quiz. You're going to finish the untitled assignment in my Google Docs, which you worked on Friday. It was a Kudo worksheet. You were entering the answers through the Edge Elastic program. So whenever you get a chance, get back on there and finish that assignment and turn it in. You don't need to share it with me, but turn it in on Google Docs. Ways to stay in touch as we move forward with new assignments that you don't have yet. Make sure you're added in my class on the Google account. I will give you that code, but it's important you're in there before I assign something, especially like that quiz, because if you're not in my Google account, then it doesn't push it out to you. Then watch for my remind text. If you haven't already signed up for those, you can email me a cell phone number if you want to. Maybe it's yours or your parents'. You can also text to the number 81010, and then your text message would be at D4A8CG. So this is who you would text to, and then this would be the message you type to me, and that should add you to my remind. But again, if you think it's easier to email me a cell phone number, I'll get you my email here in a minute. Be watching your school email by chance. If I need to communicate through that, I will, but most likely again through Google Docs, or Planbook is where they want all teachers to go through. So you'll find all your teachers' basic assignments and maybe links and attachments on Planbook, and that's where I'll communicate for sure everything through. Google Classroom, again, make sure you're added to my Google account or my Google Classroom. If you're not, you will not get assignments pushed through to you, and I'm going to begin doing that Monday. Then try using Chrome to access all of the Google documents. It's best in that browser, and email me when you're having any issues right away. Here's the Google Classroom codes. Here's 1B, here's 1A, and here is 4B. You would type in these codes into your Google account to see my classwork. All right, finally, here's my contact information, my website, and my email. Let me know if you have any questions, but here's where you're going to find videos most likely, and then I'll send remind text to let you know if I posted something new. Planbook, of course, will have everything as well, links and information of what's due or what I've assigned, so watch those. All right, that should do it. That's just some information for how I'll communicate with you. Good luck, stay warm, stay safe, and we'll be in touch.